Welcome to your course Basic SEO a Beginner's Guide. I am Johan Birling, your instructor for this course. I am a data tech and business guru. I am a founder of YB.Digital and I have been elected in 2021 as the second world best independent web publisher. I have extensive experience in web development, SEO, web publishing, and project management. In this course, what will you learn? You will learn what is SEO and why it is important, working with keywords, page optimization, basic principles, site architecture and internal linking, how to combine content marketing and link building, technical errors and methods for their solution, SEO results, tracking and measuring, additional SEO practices. We will go through basic course definitions such as SEO, intent, snippet, semantics, and more, such as traffic, meta tag, URL, link building, and website ranking. You will learn many things such as SEO principles and techniques, ways to increase traffic, keywords and potential audience, important tools for SEO, page optimization, information architecture, content marketing, and technical SEO audit, the whole SEO change for a basic understanding of how to use SEO for your site. So join the course, learn more, and see you soon in our course Basic SEO for Beginners.